Welcome back to our channel, dear viewers. Before we dive into the fantastic deals that the recent Black Friday event had to offer, especially regarding the luxurious Dyson vacuums, we have a quick reminder for you. Don't forget to check out the link in the description below to grab these amazing deals. It's your golden ticket to the world of superior cleaning performance, cordless convenience, and high-tech design that Dyson brings. So, if you're all set, let's get started on the journey of exploring the best Black Friday deals on Dyson vacuums that made a splash in the online shopping world. Stay tuned. The recent Black Friday event made waves in the world of online shopping, with one of the most notable deals being significant discounts on Dyson vacuums. These luxury cleaning devices, known for their superior performance and innovative features, were available for a fraction of their usual price, making it a perfect time for shoppers to upgrade their home cleaning arsenal. Renowned for their powerful suction, cordless convenience, and high-tech design, Dyson vacuums were among the most sought-after items during the sales event. Specific models such as the Dyson V11 cordless vacuum, which swiftly transforms into a handheld device for more flexible cleaning, were available with fast, free delivery and exclusive deals for Prime members on Amazon. The Dyson V11, engineered for deep cleaning homes with pets, comes with a Dyson hyperdymium motor that generates 60% more power than the Dyson V8. It offers up to 60 minutes of runtime and is designed to suck up long hair and pet hair from all floor types. Moreover, it comes with a 2-year warranty and lifetime Dyson support, offering peace of mind for buyers. Not only did the Black Friday event feature discounts on Amazon, but other retailers such as Walmart, Target, the Home Depot, and Best Buy also participated. These retailers offered significant price drops on Dyson models, including the Dyson Cyclone V10 Absolute and the Dyson Ball Animal 3 Complete. But the deals didn't stop there. Dyson's own website offered exclusive deals, making it an exciting time for Dyson enthusiasts and bargain hunters alike. It was indeed a day of substantial savings for those looking to invest in a high-quality vacuum. In conclusion, the recent Black Friday event presented an exceptional opportunity for shoppers to get their hands on Dyson vacuums at a significantly reduced price. With a broad range of models on offer, from cordless stick vacuums to heavy-duty upright models, there was something for everyone. These deals highlight the growing trend of online shopping events, offering considerable savings on high-end products, demonstrating that luxury can indeed be affordable. Scene 3. Seize the deal. As we've seen, Black Friday was indeed a day of amazing deals and substantial savings, especially for those eyeing a high-end Dyson vacuum. But the good news doesn't end there. Many of these fantastic deals are still available even after the Black Friday event. That's right. You can still get your hands on a Dyson vacuum without breaking the bank. Whether you're a pet owner looking for the Dyson V11's superior pet hair pickup, or someone seeking the flexibility of the Dyson Cyclone V10. Absolute. There's a Dyson vacuum out there for you. So don't wait, seize the deal. Click on the link in the description below and make your cleaning routine a breeze with a Dyson vacuum. Remember, these deals won't last forever and stock is limited. Upgrade your cleaning arsenal today and experience the Dyson difference for yourself. Act fast and secure your Dyson vacuum today.